Tonight, the FBI is targeting a key figure in President Trump's life. That is our top story tonight. Good evening. I'm Jeff Vaughn.
And I'm Suzanne Marquez. Agents raided the office and hotel room of the president's longtime personal attorney, Michael Cohen. And the president is furious tonight. KCAL 9's Tom Wade has the late details on the investigation and reaction from President Trump. Tom?
Yes, Suzanne and Jeff, these were major developments today. So the big question is, why did federal agents carry out the raids? Well, the answer is reportedly over a $130,000 hush money payment President Trump's attorney made to adult film star Stormy Daniels, who allegedly had a one-night stand with the president.
I have this witch hunt constantly going on.
President Trump, sitting alongside his generals, unleashed a tirade against special counsel Robert Mueller. The president blasted Mueller in the wake of FBI raids today on the offices, home, and hotel room of Trump's personal attorney, Michael Cohen. The Washington Post reports investigators were trying to collect information and records connected to a 2016 payment Cohen made to adult film star Stormy Daniels.
So I just heard that they broke into the office of one of my personal attorneys, good man, and it's a disgraceful situation.
Mueller did not directly carry out the raids, but his office did refer the case to a U.S. attorney's office in New York who worked to authorize the warrants with a judge. The president attacked Mueller and his Russia investigation.
They find no collusion, and then they go from there and they say, well, let's keep going. And yet the other side, they don't even bother looking. And the other side is where there are crimes.
A person familiar with the raids confirmed to CBS News agents seized documents and other materials, including communications with the president. In a statement, Cohen's attorney called the warrants authorizing the raid completely inappropriate and unnecessary. CBS News has also learned the evidence was seized as part of an investigation into possible campaign finance violations and fraudulent business activity.
The next president of the United States of America.
For 12 years, Cohen has been Trump's personal attorney, or as many call him, Trump's fixer. He's reportedly ruthlessly maneuvered against people who have damaging information on Trump and also facilitated business deals for his boss. And perhaps his most important quality to the president, loyalty.
He's a good man. He's a man who cares deeply about this country.
Now Trump is defending him and in the process attacking everyone from the special counsel to his appointed Attorney General Jeff Sessions, the man who paved the way for the hiring of Mueller.
The Attorney General made a terrible mistake when he did this and when he recused himself.
The question now is, will the president fire the special counsel?
Why don't I just fire Mueller? Well, I think it's a disgrace what's going on. We'll see what happens, but I think it's really a sad situation when you look at what happened. And many people have said you should fire him. Again, they found nothing.
And the FBI has also reportedly seized Cohen's emails, tax documents, and business records during the raid. I'm Tom Wade. Back to you guys.